Ardhal Zafran Oud is a luxurious and opulent fragrance that captivates with its complex and rich composition. It opens with a tart fruity burst of blackcurrant and bergamot, complemented by the earthy depth of truffle and the sweet creamy floral notes of ylang ylang. The heart features the dark rich aroma of black orchid, accented by warm saffron soft lotus wood and lush fruity nuances. The fragrance settles into a seductive and mysterious base, where the deep smoky agarwood, oud, blends with earthy patchouli creamy sandalwood sweet vanilla green vetiver and warm balsam, creating a bold and memorable scent perfect for those who appreciate complex and luxurious fragrances. Performance elements of Ardhal Zafran Oud. Longevity. Exceptional longevity lasting 8 to 12 hours on the fabric, sometimes even longer depending on environmental conditions. Sillage. Strong and bold sillage, leaving a noticeable and luxurious trail that lingers in the air. Projection. High projection, making the fragrance easily detectable at a distance, perfect for making a strong impression. Season. Best suited for autumn and winter due to its rich warm and opulent notes. It can also be worn during cooler evenings in spring. Occasion. Ideal for special occasion formal events and evening wear, where a bold and luxurious presence is desired. Versatility. While it is more suited for evening or formal settings, its complexity allows it to be worn during the day by those who enjoy rich statement-making fragrances. Style. Ardhal Zafran Oud exudes a luxurious and sophisticated style, with a rich complex and opulent scent profile. Mood. The fragrance evokes a sense of confidence, sophistication, and mystery. Its deep and luxurious notes create an aura of elegance and allure, making it perfect for occasion where you want to feel empowered and unforgettable. Type. Ardhal Zafran Oud is a luxurious oriental fragrance with a rich and complex composition. It combines floral woody and gourmand elements, perfect for a bold and opulent presence. Al Wahid brand offers a quality roll-on attar at a very affordable price, providing a pleasant and soothing fragrance suitable for regular or party use, and is a great product to awaken positive vibes and enhance your mood. You can use it as a pocket roll-on attar. Apply half a milliliter per use for best results. Do not apply on the body, for apparel use only. And do not consume odoriferous substances. All ingredients listed are synthetic aroma chemicals used to create the fragrance notes. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information useful. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content.